Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Mother's Day is just around the corner, and what is one of Mother's favorite things? Why, roses are, of course. And what better gift to give Mother than a rose for her garden that gives her flowers several times a year, every year. Whatever your mother's favorite color is, you can probably find a rose to match it. Whether it's a bush rose, a climbing rose, or one of the beautiful carpet roses, you're sure to find the one she'll love. Plant them in the ground or in a large container. They do best with afternoon shade and at least 6 hours of full sunlight each day. When selecting roses, you will notice that there are different types or classes of roses. A hybrid tea is the most popular class because they have large, well-formed single flowers on long cutting stems used for floral arrangements and usually grow 4 to 5 feet tall. A grandiflora is a class that is usually taller than a hybrid tea and has long cutting stems with multiple large blooms rather than a single flower. A floribunda has a medium to small flower that are formed in clusters on shorter stems from 3 to 4 feet tall. A shrub rose is a class that includes the iceberg and knockout varieties. These are characterized by dense, compact growth, a neat plant habit with continuous blooms reaching 2 to 4 feet in height. Ground cover roses, like the flower carpet variety, spread out more and usually don't get much over 2 feet tall. There are also two other forms that roses are grown in besides the bush form. These are climber and tree form. The climbers have more elongated and thinner canes, making them easier to train onto trellises, fences, or arbors. And the trees are usually the same as bush varieties, but have been trained with a single straight stem that acts as a tree trunk with the bush on top. Make sure to plant your roses properly by following our planting guide instructions using pay dirt planting mix and mulch, gold dust starter fertilizer, and Dr. Q's plant tonic. Established roses also need regular fertilizing to produce quality blooms. Use a good packaged fertilizer like Dr. Q's Rose and Flower Food to give them the nutrients they need every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season. For more information, visit us at starnursery.com to view our Star Note number 520 on rose selection and care. And while you were there, check out our ad for this week's specials, which include 2-gallon assorted roses starting at just $7.88. Remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.